Hello and welcome to Box, where today we're going to be taking you through some of the gaming features on this Samsung QN95A Neo QLED TV. One of the main features on this TV that you're going to be interested in for gaming is the auto game mode. So this is an intelligent feature designed to recognise your console as it's plugged in and adjust the settings to whatever game you're playing, so you can play the game in its intended form. Want the ultimate gaming setup to work perfectly with your new next-gen console? The QN95A has been adapted to work in sync with the latest gaming tech, but this doesn't mean fiddling with multiple menus and settings to get the most out of it. It's really simple to enable. Just open the home bar at the bottom of the screen and scroll over to the quick settings menu. A few icons down, you'll easily find the game mode toggle switch. Just make sure it's in the on position to begin using this great gaming feature. You should now find that your games run smoothly at peak performance as it alters the TV's processes to reduce lag and improve response times. So I hope this answers some of the questions you have about the gaming features on the QN95A from Samsung. Don't forget to subscribe to Box for more hands-on tech reviews, and as always, thanks for watching.